Welcome back to the podcast, your guide to moving to another country. Today, we're talking about moving from Sacramento to Portugal and how to build a household goods shipping plan once your move is confirmed. Sacramento moves often begin with a local pickup and then connect into a larger export network. That is why you should start with a survey, not a shipping guess. A survey identifies your actual volume, special packing needs, larger furniture, fragile items, and pickup access. It also helps determine what makes sense to take to Portugal and what is better left behind. Your personal schedule should shape the shipment plan. Write down your flight date, lease or home availability date, job start date, and the dates you need key belongings. Your household shipment may not need to arrive the same day you do. Temporary storage, a small air shipment, or a staged delivery can make the transition far more manageable. For most households, sea freight is the sensible method for furniture and bulk shipments. A full container may fit a larger home, while a shared container option can be appropriate for a smaller move. Air freight is usually reserved for carefully selected essentials, not for everything you own. Build an essentials plan before packing begins. Keep passports, medications, import records, valuables, and immediate personal needs with you. Then decide whether any work items or limited household essentials should travel separately by air. Documentation should start early. Portugal's customs process can depend on your residence status, the nature of the goods, ownership and use history, and the timing of shipment arrival. Your moving coordinator can help explain the normal document process, but customs authorities make final decisions. A detailed inventory supports the move from beginning to end. It helps with packing, customs, insurance, and delivery. Be clear about high-value items and specialty belongings so appropriate packing or custom crating can be planned. Before delivery, confirm the final address and access conditions in Portugal. Consider narrow streets, building entry, stairs, elevators, parking, and delivery restrictions. Sacramento to Portugal move becomes simpler when you separate essentials from the main shipment and begin documents early. STC International Shipping provides door-to-door international household moving coordination from California, including packing, freight, insurance options, and storage. Give us a call at 877-339-0267 or visit our website today.